Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 72 Stingray convertible and this is by Hotwheels and this is from 2023 set. So I bought this for 179 back then. I didn't buy this recently. I bought this when this casting actually came in India. So and I bought it for MRP. So let's unbox this and see how this one actually looks. I'm really excited to unbox this older castings. You know, because I'm not sure how many people actually saw this castings when it came out. I know a lot of people are actually scalping these cars. Okay, here's the card art. Card art looks really nice. Okay, let me put this aside. Okay, here is the casting itself. So out of the box, the casting looks really beautiful and it is a glossy gray finish. And one of the beautiful thing is it has this flip up headlights and yeah, I think see this is what it's supposed to be. This part here, if you put some light on it, it will shine through this one if I'm not wrong. That's what I actually learned, but I'm not sure if this one is capable of that. Let me see if I can able to find my touch. Okay, so you can see the Stingray logo here, Hot Wheels logo here, and so the bumpers are chromed out. So that these are plastic, these are not metal, and including the side skirts, everything these are plastic. So the body is fully metal and the chassis is plastic. So it has this acrylic headlights here. So again, I'm hoping this would shine the light, once you shine it here. So let's see if I can able to get a touch, small touch, and the interior looks really good. It is fully chromed out. See, at least this chromed out interior and the bumpers and everything matches for this particular car, because the paint job is actually not too flashy or too dull. It is in between kind of thing. So it does look really nice, and it does have tail light detail as well. You can see the name plate here. Sorry, number plate here. Okay, sorry guys, I'm really tired. So I don't know. Okay, fine. So you can see the number plate here. That is really cool, and you can see it is. I think it is mentioning California, if I'm not wrong. So tell me, guys. Say I'm not from US, so if you guys are from, anyone is watching from US, just let me know if that is the right one. That is a California plate. Okay. So it has exhaust details here, which is really nice. It doesn't have much detail on the chassis, but it looks really nice. Okay, so the wheels are pretty standard, but it matches this particular casting, so we are good in that case. The windshield has a little bit of scratches. Again, this is specific to mine. It is not like for everyone. So it does have all the detailing here, which looks really good. Let's weigh this casting now. Actually, it feels very light. Maybe 25 grams. Let's see. 26 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test. This is the actual normal height we usually utilize for this. Okay, it rolls okay, not bad. Again, the car is actually small and it fits the track really very easily. Someone actually told me to change my track. I'm searching for the track which I actually had. The new ones, I don't know where I kept it. I need to search and maybe replace this. I don't see any issue with this track. It is maybe a little bit of dust here and there, but I usually clean that out because it's always in the open. But apart from that, there is no issue with the track. It rolls good. It may not be the best, but it rolls good. So let me see if I can get some torchlight, at least a UV torch, something. Okay, I just got a torch. Okay, fine. Let me see. It actually shines a little bit, but not too much. You can see here. I mean, this torch is a really nice one. I used to take pictures with this back then, for the thumbnails of this channel. Okay, let me try with UV light here. Okay, let me see if this creates any difference. No, I don't see anything coming out here. Okay, I don't want to waste any more time on this. Okay, guys, so it's time to rate this casting. Okay, so the casting is really beautiful, even though it has some paint job issues here. You can see some paint bubbling here, but again, this is not a common thing. It is something specific to me, so let's leave that out. So it has both headlight and taillight details, and say again, I don't care about the vinyls, the liveries, and all these things. As long as it has the like mandatory details, which is the which are, those are the headlight and taillight details, where you can keep and take good pictures of it, or at least keep in your showcase and adore it. I'm good with it. So this one checks all the boxes, so I'm giving a 10 out of 10 for this. If you're able to get this casting, then I mean, go ahead and get it. You won't regret it at all. It is a very beautiful casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.